root beer float. So I had this idea for this soap using the ice cream scoops and then the cherries. And at first I was gonna pipe the top. And then, I don't know, I just was like, nah, I don't want to do that. And then I was just gonna put the cherries on, but well, I tried to make the little stems for them. I think they really needed to be thinner, but I couldn't get them to be thinner and kind of hold together, and I needed them to bend sideways, otherwise they would be too tall and they would break. So I also had to set, these ice cream scoops are just a tad bigger than 1 inch, and these bars, my bars cut at 1 inch. So I had to set them opposite, but I'm not sure if I got them all lined up perfectly. So hopefully, fingers crossed. I was off as I got down to this end. And I can see that I'm off. Okay, the question is, where do I want to be off? Yeah. Let's try it this way. Yep. I'm gonna get some bars that are gonna get cut. The ice cream scoop is just off and it's gonna get cut in half. Oh well, not much I can do about it. I can give those those bars to my family because they love the wintergreen root beer scent too, so they will. Okay, so again, this one I did a drop hanger swirl with white, pink, and then I just kind of put a layer of white on top, and I used rosy eco-friendly glitter from the Good Glitter. It's probably my favorite pink. Though you can see it kind of morphs a little bit with the reaction to the soap, the lye, the high pH. But still, I love the pink. Look at those swirls. That is really cool. A lot more, I was not expecting that. I really love how you have all those wispy lines. Like, that's just pretty. Okay. And that's the one that kind of got cut in half. But man, those swirls are really... I'm quite happy with them. That was the end piece. I always get the fewest swirls in the very end. You know what? I went back and forth with this design, and I'm okay with this. This is cute, and it smells really good. If you're a root beer fan, oh, this is yummy. If you're not a root beer fan, you won't like this soap. Look at that. I think it's cute. I said I went back and forth with should I add a stem or not, and you know what? I'm kind of glad I did. It's not 100% realistic, but I still think it's cute. And it kind of gives the impression of a root beer float. So, let me know what you think.